little bit of off-roading today. Not really. I'm in my yard. Hey guys, I don't know if this is the greatest idea ever or the biggest fail and craziest idea ever. So I need your opinion on this and we're going to talk about it. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's get to this right now. So BF Goodrich, they just launched some off-road overland wipers and they're 80 bucks. And I'm not sure if this is a great idea or not. But one thing that's interesting is that BF Goodrich, they're known for tires obviously, and one of their best known off-road tires are KO2s. So these wipers look like KO2 treads. And I'm thinking, what are treads doing on wipers besides look? But they're saying that it does some stuff. So there's some features here. It says it has weather repelling technology. So the blade covers repels rain, snow, and ice for superior performance. Okay, cool. And there's some X factor stuff they've added. So they've added what they call a secure X connector. It says for easy and secure installation. A XFlex suspension. So there's actually a suspension on the wiper blades. Okay. It says for complete windshield contact. So that way when they're wiping, it's gonna make sure it gets the snow, the mud, the rain, etc. off, especially off-roading. The other X factor is Scrub X, extreme weather performance. It says it quickly clears away the mud, bugs, snow, rain, and grime. So it's interesting. So not only the wiper blades have a performance advantage, the actual tread-like structure is performing too. So I think I've seen these posted for Jeep so far. I haven't seen anything posted for these Tacomas, but I'm really curious. It's 80 bucks. So that's double OEM, and that's probably triple where you could get it at the auto parts store. So tell me what you guys think. If you guys happen to have a set, let me know how they perform too. Alright guys, that's about it. Quick video about these wiper blades. This is something that's totally interesting. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share the video if this is something you did like. Alright guys, peace out.